welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial I am going to cover another real world example using advanced Java Stream. This is a continuation tutorial for Java Stream. I hope like I have covered multiple example of it. If you guys have any doubt or anything, please do let me know in the comment section. I will focus on the real world applications where basically we can use that Java streams so that we can process our data in minimum like in write less code. These are the main advantages of this Java stream. So in this today's sessions, what I'm going to cover, I'm going to cover like processing employees data in HR system. In my last sessions, I have covered the payroll system. For payroll system, different types of functionalities. I will add more feature to it. What are those features? Like checking generated list of employees who joined within the last 6 months. Next, we will see that if all employees have salary above certain threshold. Also, we can sort the employees by alphabetical order. So these things I am going to cover in today's session. For that, we are going to create one employees DTO. So here already we are having this DTO, but here we are having some limited fields. In new employees, we are going to add some more fields like ID, name, department, salary, and the joining date. So these are the fields that I am going to create in this employee table. So for that, we can like rename this employee class, right? So that we can use another. Let me rename this employee. Let's say it's employee 1. Now we are going to create another DTO similar to this but having more fields in that employee class. So this is the class. If you see, it's having this ID, name, department, salary, and the joining date. So here this is the constructor where we are setting all the details over here, right? If you see that ID, name, department, salary, and the local date. Okay, so here we are setting, and we are also generating one toString. Using that, we can print the employee data in the console in this format. Next, what we are going to do, we are going to creating the sample data of this employee. So where we are going to create, so let's create one another main method over here. Let's create another class HR system. So here we are going to create this public static void main method. Now here we are going to copy this like we are going to use this method actually, like we are going to provide some kind of dummy data for employees. Okay, so here this is the list of employees. So here if you see that, now it's visible completely. So here it's a list of employee. These are the dummy record or sample record. So like this is the employee, then ID, name, like this is the department. If you see the department, then salary, and then joining date. So joining date would be local date dot now, then minus month to month. Like before this 2 months, this employee is joined. Similar kind of minus 1 year means before 1 year, before 8 months, before 2 years, before 3 months, before 6 months, before 4 months, before 3 months, and the before 5 months. So in this date basically these employees are joined in the particular company. Now we are going to doing some kind of activities based on the date and salary. So this is the dummy user. In real world application we can fetch this data from the database, but now here for simplicity, keeping this application simplicity, not more complex, we can generate the sample data over here. Now what else we are going to do, we are going to like doing some kind of activities like employees who joined within the last 6 months. So for that we are going to write some kind of stream operations. So what is the operations? Like employees dot stream. Then we are going to filter the data from this list of employee based on the joining date, right? So who joined after the like 6 months? So here employee, then joining date is after. So this local date dot now it will give us the current date time minus 6 months. So it will go to the 6 month before. So joining date means joining date will be after the this month. So it will return the 6 month back. Let's say today is the January. So it will return July month, right? So this will be the before month. So who is joined after the July of this current means last year, those will be print over here. Okay, so let us run the application, then it will print the date. Now if you see, this particular employee joined 11th, right, means November, this is October, and this is the August. So these employees are joined August, October and the November. So this, that means employees who joined in the last 6 months, these 3 employees joined in last 6 months, right? So in this way basically we can filter the data from the database. Next we can also do some other activities like check the salary by threshold. Let's say we can define some threshold amount. Let's say salary will be 5,000, more than salary is 5,000, then we can print those employees. So how we are going to doing that? So this is the salary threshold, like this is the 5,000, then we are going to dot employees, this is the list of employee, then we are converting list of employee to stream, and then we are actually using the all match. What we are providing the condition like employee dot salary greater than equals to salary threshold, like whose salary actually greater than this 5,000, it will print the data. So let us run this application, save and launch. Yeah, all employee have the salary greater than 5,000 and it is a false, right? So all above threshold, it's coming as a false. Like if you see someone having the 7,500, 500, 5,200, then this, so all are having greater than 5,000. It's true, means someone also having this 5,000. So here if we change the condition like 4,000, then it will be coming as true. Let me run this application again. So now it will coming as a true. We can also print the employees over here. We just need to do this similar kind of filter activities over here, and here we will put this condition like employee dot salary greater than 4,000 or 5,000, then it will actually print the data here. So similar way we can do this, something like that. Now if we sort the employees alphabetically, that also we can do. So for that we are going to write another kind of stream over here like employees dot stream, then it will map actually you are mapping the employees by name, exact name, sort alphabetically. Like here we are using the sorted, so it will sort the list of employees by name, and then it will actually convert these things. Then we can, using the for each, we can print the data. Now let run the application. We can save the application and then run. So if you see, it will sort the list of employees by alphabetically like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So alphabetically it will print the data. So these are the actually functionalities that we can easily do using the Java stream for our HR system. These are the functionalities mostly used for the HR system, like to find out or filter out the data from the list of employees. There are certain conditions, so those conditions we can easily do using the Java stream. Means we can do more complex operations easily using the Java stream. So this is all about this one. If you guys have anything, please do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon for further notification. Thanks for your time. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.